Hey guys, we're here today to talk with Josh Newberger about the Gecko Star 2.0 and why it might be the right machine for you. So, Josh, you want to take us through maybe a top 3 features of the machine?
Yeah, absolutely, Jordan. Appreciate you all having us here. This is the Gecko Star 2.0. A couple things real quick. It's very lightweight, 24 pounds, which means that it's going to be very easy to maneuver on the floor. The biggest thing that we see with this is the adjustable wheels. And as opposed to having to take a crescent wrench and kind of maneuver the wheels, we can adjust them on the fly. So we just unloosen this, and we can turn this and dial it so you can get the perfect sanding, depending upon the floor that you're doing or depending upon the wood species. And then the last thing is the quietness of the machine. And I'm going to fire up the machine real quick, and you'll be able to see how quiet it is. Put my Norton Red Heat on here. Got a very low decibel rating, which is great for operators and so forth, and especially when you're in those confined areas.
Absolutely.
Homes. But love to have any contractors that may be interested, get a hold of us. We're more than happy to come out. Jimmy Jarka is the Midwest rep. He has the van. Come out and take a look with your projects.
Sounds good. Guys, contact